Hey. Oh. So no, this doesn't. What? Okay, it's working now. It won't let me do anything. Okay, it's the first time playing on PC, guys. So yeah, let's play. Let me play the game. If you can't hear me, but God, oh well. Okay, it's Tuesday to start. Okay, so. I don't get. Okay. Hey, yeah, what would you like? What do you want? Like, bro, you're not telling me. What do you want? May I take your order, sir? Here's my order. Okay, you want that? Yeah, he's happy. Have that or else you're not having anything else. I got confused. Okay. Okay. Hey, what would you like? Oh, I know what I want. Cheese pizza. Whoa, indeed. Oh, indeed. Okay, so I want to. And this guy is like froze or something because dude. I'll take your order. Okay, so your order, please. I want your order. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Nice board. See you soon. Okay. Hey, how you doing in here, guys? We've got millions of things to do. I'd hurry up with that for you. Come in. Yeah, Yeah, let me know when you are ready to order. I need to decide. What did you? Oh, you wanted this lemon drink? Wow, thanks. Yeah, anytime. Everyone wants. We're busy here at the shop today. Yes, finally someone's here. I don't know. Kirk? Nice to see you. What can I get ya? I need a second to decide. Okay, nice. I know I rock. Bye. Yeah, what does it want to... So on my side. Everybody's coming in, like everyone's to order. Right now. Oh yeah. Gave me some. Oh, hey. Hey, what would you like? One set, please. Yeah, nice. Nice one, wow. You're very welcome, I love that too. computer goes off, guys, if I start recording, it'll be because the video is just paused. So I will make another episode. I will make another video straight after. I have to edit, but I'll make one after. No, I won't edit. I'll just make it. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not right now. Okay, I don't think. Okay. What kind of pizza would you like? Everything looks tasty. 1 second, please. Oh, nice. You're very welcome, sir. Bye-bye. Just look through that window, see if anyone's coming. You two are doing a good job over there. I'm doing an excellent job. 562 customers today. That's millions. Working hard. Low. Let me text back. Oh no. Oh, let me text back. Dude, this is not cool. Where are the customers in the cars? I don't like ordering in the car. Lol. Okay, I can quickly take your order. What would you like to eat? Oh boy, everything looks great. This may take a while. Okay. Yeah, come in. Hi, what would you like to eat today? Hell yeah, I think you like that, don't you? Wow, nice job. You're welcome. I'll just come from the back, yo. I just bought that for no reason. Hi, bro. I want to say hi back because I'm kind. Bye. So everyone's in the meeting event tonight. Where is everybody in the cars right now? Like, I need. Oh. I need to. I'm gonna get some. Am I the one who's just getting everything today? I feel like I'm the only one who's actually working here. Whoops. How'd you get out? Yeah, I'm videoing, guys. But literally, I think I'm stuck in here. Oh, you. That was my first time ever. Okay, where's the stairs? Someone just got in there. What the hell? Oh, there's no fizzies. We need them. What the hell? This guy just leaves. Hey, dude. I've glitched out. Guys, I've glitched out. I'm just going to pause. Wait a sec. End the video quick and I'll be back in a minute. So, yeah, I'm going to edit the video and I'll be back soon. Bye, guys. Bye.